Hey guys, today I'm going to change the PCV valve on a 2010 Nissan Murano. This car is equipped with VQ35DE engine, and this procedure should work for all Nissans with the same VQ35DE engine. Here are some of the vehicles that used the same engine. The PCV valve for this engine is sort of hidden on the back side of the valve cover, so let me show you how to locate it. Okay guys, so it's a pretty tight space. Okay, I got the PCV valve out. I'll show you what I did. I used this nose plier that's kind of bent at the end there, and so I went in like this, okay, and I was able to get to the clamp, and clamp was facing towards the firewall, so I had to kind of spin it around towards my direction, okay, and while I was squeezing it, I used my other hand to pull up on the PCV hose, and that came out without much struggle. But you have to, hold the clamp to loosen it before it will come out. I tried to pull it out with the clamp on. It was not coming out. So PCV valve is 23 millimeter. You're gonna need a deep socket, but I only have 22 and 24 millimeter, and but there's a very little space in there. I tried, even if you get the socket on there, it's gonna be a little bit tricky to get the the ratchet on there. So what I did was just use this 7-inch, 8-inch long crescent wrench, and there was enough space in here, and this would open up wide. This would open up as wide as a 24 millimeter, I guess. So it would fit, and I would just tighten it a little bit, and I just went at it slowly like this. So it took about 3 or 4 full turns, so it took a while, right? You're trying to wiggle in there with the limited space, and then after that I was able to hand loosen it, and I got the PCV valve out. And this short crescent wrench fits, so I can get in there, and you can see I got it partially loosened already, and you're not gonna go fast, but it's coming out. Let me see if I can loosen it by hand now. Get the hose out of the way. Okay, so it's coming out. Probably took about 3-4 full turns to get this out. There she is. As usual, all PCVs are all kind of oily. Okay, I'm not hearing anything rattling. That's not good. So I went to the dealer today, and they didn't have this. They'll have to back order. They said maybe check back tomorrow. So I just want to take this out and take it over there and make sure I'm getting the same one. Oh, I got it to rattle a little bit. So I'm gonna actually try to clean this and see how much gunk I get out of this. Okay, I'm gonna try to use a carburetor cleaner, and let me see it. Well, I'll just spray both sides. Okay, starting to rattle. I'm still gonna replace it, but until I get the replacement, I'm gonna have to put this back in. Wow, that's a lot of dirty gunk. Okay, so each time it's rattling more freely. This right here, you see that inner part? That was not moving like this in the beginning. That was not moving freely. You see, the spring pops back up. It was now it's a lot more free than before. Okay, I'm gonna clean it one more time. Time I'm gonna try brake parts cleaner. It's supposed to dry fast and clean fast, leave no residue, so I'll use this as a final clean. Okay, it's much cleaner. In the beginning it was very dark, and I can feel and hear it's rattling a lot more freely. So I have the feeling this is not the original, because cars got close to 125, 130,000 miles. I don't believe this is original. I bought it used when it was around 124,000-ish. So I think this was replaced at one point. Some of the, yeah, you can hear the rattle a lot better. By the way, here's the part number for my 2010 Nissan Murano. Should be same for your VQ35DE engine, but please double check. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.